Today I'm going to show you how to remove a bolt with some propane and some PB blaster. Now this one I already did here down at the bottom, and as you can see, it's already loose. I already had them soaking for about 5 minutes, and this one I can't budge it. So take the propane, just let it sit for a little bit with the heat on it. This is a 98 Cavalier Z24. I have a CV axle that went bad, and I gotta get the strut mounts off the hub assembly, and can't get that off at the moment. I already did the driver's side. The driver's side was super easy. This side's giving me a little bit more trouble. A little bit harder to get the things off. It's roughly taking me about half an hour. This takes a bit of time. Parts take 2 days to come in. So this will be sitting for a while. But that ought to be enough heat for now. Well, maybe. Nope, a little more. Not hot enough yet. Sometimes it can be time consuming. Right now is a perfect example of it. Let's try it again. Oh my. There we go. If you have oxyacetylene, it is a ton easier. Even MAP gas works. Butane, I did it on the other side with the butane torch, but this is all I got at the moment. And propane doesn't do too bad heating everything up. It does it up pretty good. This impact wrench doesn't have enough guts to take it off, and to be honest, oh yeah, I do. I have the right socket for it. Barely. It's actually a spark plug socket. There you go. Probably won't be able to get that off, but jeez. Almost. There we go. It's hot. Wouldn't have guessed that. There you go. That'll be it. See you guys later.